How to program the wireless keypad ET909. First, we're gonna wake up the keypad by pressing any number. Now we're gonna enter our master code. That is 0000 star. We're gonna press 01 hash. Now we're gonna press our new passcode. In this case, I'm gonna do 2580 and end with hash. After 2 beeps, we know the password is correct. And we can test it quickly as well by pressing in our new passcode. We get a green light, that means we have access. To connect the keypad to the receiver, we're gonna first wake up the keypad. We enter in our code 2582. We press P1 and we press hash. Just to test if it's working, 2580 hash, and the light goes on. That means it works. To connect the wireless push button to the receiver, we're gonna press P1 and we're gonna press the button on the push button. Just to test if it's working, and it's working.